Let me show you how you can enter Outlook password on the iPad. So if you want to use Outlook on your device, you can add it in various different ways, but you most likely want to add it to your Mail app on the iPad. And for this, we're going to go to the settings like that. And on the left panel and at the bottom, you can see the apps menu. So we're going to click on apps, and from those we try to find the Mail. So this is what it looks like, the Mail app in there. We're going to click on Mail and then tap on Mail accounts to get to the account mode. And in here I currently have only iCloud set up, so I'm going to click on add account. And I can either type in my email address in there, but I'm instead going to click on the choose from list button below like this. And this makes the list of providers show up. And I'm going to click on the Outlook to proceed with that particular one. We're going to get to this like full page mode. And now we are signing in with our Microsoft account. So I'm going to at first type in the email like this. So this is the one I use for a Microsoft account. I click on next, and then now, as you can see, that it tries to sign me in using a security code. So it currently tries to send me the code to that email address, but if I actually want to sign in with the password, I'm going to need to click on use your password instead. So this is what I tap on, and then now we get to this mode where, or the text field with the password is available. And this is actually the way which we wanted to use to begin with. So we now tap on it like this and then just type in our password normally. So I hope that I was able to explain it and actually get you to this state. Let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.